New year means new hobbies. Maybe astronomy is yours. And if so, welcome to your weekly resource, New Star Babies. One of the first things to teach a new stargazer is orienting yourself under the sky. So let me show you. Hit the darkness anytime, but we're using 10 p.m. here, and look for the Big Dipper, one of the most recognizable asterisms in the sky. It's part of Ursa Major, the Great Bear. Using the two stars on the end of the Dipper, Merak and Dubhe, you can make an arrow right to Polaris, the North Star. Polaris isn't the brightest star in the sky, far from it, but it has a special distinction in that its position aligns with the North Pole of our spinning planet, so it appears stationary in the sky. Over time, the Earth's axis moves. It's called precession of the equinoxes, or just precession. So in the future, Polaris will be just another star in the sky, and a different star will be the North Star. Keep looking up.